As a computer numerical control machinist or CNC technician, you take AI and automation to the next level in the machining industry. Today's machining industry has advanced past manual machinists, and Davis Tech students learn the latest to step into current roles in the industry. Transform raw materials like metal and plastic into anything the industry needs. By building a curriculum directly around what industry partners utilize on a daily basis, Davis Tech students are immersed in a learning environment that they will encounter in small machine shops as well as large manufacturing firms throughout the country. Using Autodesk Fusion 360 software to produce CAD/CAM CNC programming gives students the opportunity to learn a great deal in a short amount of time. With blueprint, reading, sketching, part design, CNC operation, and CNC programming, students live with a greater ability to succeed.